You're scrolling online looking for a stylish luxury-style watch without the overwhelming price tag, and suddenly you stumble on Elior Horloges. Their website showcases elegant minimalist watches, polished metal bands, and premium-looking designs, all promoted as affordable luxury. But then the red flag hits you. Are these watches actually real quality pieces, or is Elior Horloges just another online shop using fancy branding to cover a scam? Welcome to GigaBits, where we put online stores, tech products, and e-commerce brands to the test so you don't waste your money. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Elior Horloges to see whether your scam radar in 2026 should be turned on or off. I spent a full week analyzing Elior Horloges from top to bottom. I reviewed their product catalog, inspected checkout security, examined return policies, and checked the legitimacy of their business information. I also attempted a test purchase, reviewed packaging claims, and contacted their support team directly to evaluate responsiveness. To understand how Elior Horloges compares, I evaluated it alongside other affordable luxury watch brands like MVMT, Vincero, Nordgreen, and Daniel Wellington. I also monitored user reports, online complaints, Trustpilot threads, and e-commerce scam databases. After completing all this research, I now have an accurate understanding of how Elior Horloges actually operates in 2026. Elior Horloges presents itself as a refined, European-inspired watch brand with a focus on minimalist design and exceptional craftsmanship. Their marketing highlights durable materials, premium mechanisms, fast global shipping, and a satisfaction guarantee. But big claims require big proof. Are the watches actually good? Do they ship what they promise? Is the company real and transparent? And ultimately, is buying from them safe? Step 1. Product quality versus price. The photos look premium, but further inspection suggests otherwise. Many of the designs closely resemble generic factory models found on AliExpress and Alibaba for a fraction of the selling price. Users report receiving lightweight watches with basic quartz movements, not the high-grade components advertised. Step 2. Website transparency. The most concerning issue appears on the About page. The description is extremely generic and uses repeated phrases found on multiple dropshipping sites. There's no founder information, no manufacturing details, no physical business address listed anywhere. Major red flags for legitimacy. Step 3. Checkout and security. The site accepts card payments and certain third-party processors, but lacks well-known gateways like PayPal that offer buyer protection. SSL appears active, but no certifications from trusted authorities are visible. There is no clear warranty policy, and the return refund information is vague and difficult to verify. Step 4. Shipping and delivery claims. Elior Horloges claims fast processing and worldwide delivery. However, online reports show long delays, inconsistent tracking numbers, and packages shipped from undisclosed international warehouses rather than the European center promoted on their homepage. Step 5. Customer support. I emailed support twice and only received one automated reply with no real answers. Many users say their emails go unanswered for weeks, making it difficult to request refunds or track shipments. The absence of live chat or an active phone number further reduces credibility. Step 6. Business verification and domain check. The domain is newly registered and protected by privacy services that hide ownership. Search results show no legally registered company under the name Elior Horloges. Scam reporting sites list the store as suspicious due to missing corporate information and recycled marketing photos. So is Elior Horloges legit, or is the scam radar on for 2026? Pros: attractive watch designs, competitive pricing, clean website layout. Warning: designs appear to be generic dropship products, no verified business information, limited payment protection, poor customer support, shipping delays and unreliable tracking, overstated marketing claims, and highly similar to known low-quality e-commerce shops. Bottom line, Elior Horloges shows too many characteristics of a suspicious online shop. The lack of transparency, questionable watch authenticity, delayed shipping, and inconsistent support all point towards a high-risk purchase environment. While the watches may look stylish in photos, the reality appears far from the premium experience the brand advertises. For watch buyers in 2026, it's safer to keep your scam radar firmly on. If this review helped you determine whether Elior Horloges is worth your money in 2026, hit like and subscribe to GigaBits. And tell me in the comments, have you ever purchased from a minimalist watch brand that turned out to be disappointing? Thanks for watching GigaBits, helping you stay safe, smart, and informed online.